Oh yeah, this video uses 2 chords. That's it. I apologise in advance if you're expecting more. Using the same 2 chords, we're going to create 5 different emotions. Hope, melancholy, optimism, something unnecessarily cinematic, and the feeling that something is about to happen. It doesn't. Let's go. Okay, so one of the points of this video is to show you don't need lots and lots of chords to create different emotions. It's a little bit more complicated than that, but you don't need tons of music theory. I'm going to use C and A minor. So these are 4-bar phrases that go C, A minor, C, A minor. That's it. Why pick those two? Well, A minor's the relative minor of C major. They have the same notes, so that makes it easy. You don't have to stick to those two. You pick any 2 chords you like. For reasons of comparison, I have used the same string library. This is the Albion 1 strings. Sometimes I've used spiccato and the other times I've used longs. The other change I will make is to the dynamic layering, so how hard the bow is being played in some of the longer patches. Okay, let's look at the first one, Hope. So if you're doing Hope, we're going up to 110 BPM, and what you want to be doing is playing up the register and probably doing some arpeggios. So that's what we've got going on here. So you can hear there's a general upward movement to the arpeggio as well. And again, that tends to convey an element of hope. Let's move on to something melancholic. Now, you'll notice there are less notes this time, and we are going to drop the tempo to 80 BPM. The sound is on longs, and you can see I've actually used lower dynamics here. So let's listen to this. So a slight lift at the end with those 2 top higher notes, but this time we're not using half as many notes. We are literally holding for whole bars and changing the chord from the C to the A minor. We have some extra overtones at the higher register as well, but we're keeping everything nice and subdued and melancholic is the plan. Let's have a look at Optimism. So Optimism is a bit like Hope, but you think there's more chance of it happening. So we're going to put the tempo up to 120. And this time, instead of doing arpeggios, what you'll notice is these are block chords, but again, using that spiccato technique. There you go. So a bit more optimistic, you know, you're filling in a lot more space by doing those block chords. Okay, there's your 3rd emotion. 4th one, Grandiosity. This is our unnecessarily cinematic style of cue, and this time you'll see what we're doing is spacing out, so we're using very low to very high notes in each chord, but like you see, there's not actually that much changing, but we do have an awful lot more than we did in Melancholy. We're going to drop the tempo back down to around 80 again. There we go. And let's listen to Grandiosity. I should also point out that the dynamic layers were turned up for this, so the instruments are being bowed harder. And finally, we get to floating tension, and we've dropped the dynamics again, so we're more on the melancholy side. We're still down at 80 BPM, but what we're going to do is change the root note this time. We're going to keep it in the chord, but for example, to start with, we're going to start with an E root note for the C. So that makes it a bit unstable and that gives us the tension. Then we move to the A and we use a C root. Then the third C, we're actually going to go up to a G root. And then for the final A, we're going to come down to an E root. So if you're listening on a mobile phone, you might not pick out the bass quite so much. And that kind of is the key bit that gives us this tension. But let's have a listen to it anyway. And there you have it. 5 different emotions, 2 chords, the same chords. I hope that was helpful and instructive. Why not have a go at picking 2 chords yourself and see if you can come up with maybe those same 5 emotions, just playing them differently between each other. It's not rocket science. You don't need a music degree to get this right. If you found it helpful, why not a like and subscribe? That's always appreciated. See you in the next video. Bye for now.